Just woke up. My truck got stolen last night. 6 in the morning. My truck is gone.
Unfortunately, we didn't have a way to track the vehicle.
Let me go out there, get a stolen hit put on this, and then I'll come back in and finish talking with you, okay?
What's going on, guys? Back with another video. It's 5:15 in the morning. We've been on the road for about an hour. Brought the trailer, got the Ram, empty store, middle of nowhere. We're headed to McAllen, Texas to pick up my new project. I'm excited for this one. This is something personal. As you guys know, they stole my truck in April, and I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna let that bring me down. So I went ahead and found me another truck. Follow us so you guys can see it. You guys gonna be going through this journey with us. Appreciate it, all the new subscribers. I hope you guys enjoy this video. The Rick Ross Show was a hit. You know, we've been dropping good videos. Hopefully this is one of our best videos yet. Thanks to everybody who has subscribed, who's new to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got a lot of things going on this week, so we're excited for that. And yeah, come with us. All right, guys, we finally made it to Copart. Let's go pay this truck. Oh, La Perrona, it's over there. We're gonna leave that sticker on there. That's gonna be the OG sticker. Let's go pay this truck, load it up, and head back home. All right, guys, this is it. 2017 Chevy Silverado single cab with a 5.3. I'm excited. Just like the truck they stole from me 2 months ago at Texas Hold'em. You know, it was a big loss for me. It was the first show we took it. Brand new rims, brand new paint job. But you know what? I said, I'm not gonna let that hold me back. I'm the type, I've always been very positive in life. Any losses, we turn them into lessons. You know, I learned my lesson. I saved up, hustled up, and here it is. 2017 Silverado, just like my old one. You know, it looks pretty clean. We're gonna try to start it right now. All he needs is fender, bumper, and grill. Maybe new headlights. But other than that, it's pretty clean. It has 51,000 miles. I'm gonna leave that sticker on there, La Perrona. Guys, can you guys help me find whoever the owner was? You know, I want to tell him personally I'm going to take care of his truck. You can tell that he liked to have fun. Look at these tires. Look at these tires. But hey, it's okay, because you know me, we got some Ford Giados coming for this one. You know, it's going to be a long process, but, you know, I finally got it. Get to take it back to Austin, work on it, and here it is. Check it out. All right, guys, we're gonna try to jump it, make sure it starts before we strap it down. Just want to show you guys it's missing the air cleaner. Shouldn't be too bad. So yeah, it has power. Let's see. I'm excited, man. I'm like a kid with a new toy. Ooh! It started, guys. All right, guys, that's it. Strapped down, locked and loaded. Let's get back to Austin. Before that, we're gonna have lunch. I think we're gonna meet up with one of my friends. We're also gonna stop by Chuy. So, you know, I'm excited to visit his place. I always see it on Instagram. I've been following him for a while. I'm a big fan of it, you know, of everything he does. So, you know, I hit him up, message me back. We're gonna stop by his shop. You know, let's see what we get into.
A few moments later.
Mi gente, llegamos aquí con Chuy. Venimos a levantar la camioneta McAllen. So, le digo a mi hermano, vamos a pasar a visitar a Chuy. Tuve el gusto de conocerlo en Bandas y Trocas y le mandé un mensaje. Me contestó, le hace, pásale, bienvenido. Y aquí estamos. Le traje unas playeras de nosotros, nos regaló unas. Muchas gracias, Chuy. La verdad, muchas gracias por habernos recibido. Está muy bonito tu lugar, tus carros. Como le dije, yo te he seguido desde que empezaste y la verdad me da gusto cómo va todo, man.
Muchas gracias por el apoyo y ya sabes que aquí estamos a la orden.
No, gracias.
Y la perrona allá
Ahí va a llegar.
La troquita esa está de caché, mi amigo. Muy bonita. Y quedó en buenas manos porque mi amigo la va a dejar más pasada de lanza.
Guys, we're almost home. We got about 2 hours more to go. Everything's been good on the road, you know, that's always a good thing. A lot of things can happen on the road, especially hauling a truck or a car. I'm very excited about this truck. As you guys know, to my new subscribers, I had the exact same truck stolen 2 months ago in Houston at Texas Hold'em. If you guys go back a couple videos, you know, there's a story of everything that happened. I never found it. I don't think I ever will. I'm not gonna lie, it did hit me a lot because Chevy's, you know, it's a drop Chevy. It's, you know, it was one of my favorite trucks so far. It was the first show I took it to. But, you know, it is what it is. I took the loss and I turned it into a lesson. That's something about me. Like I was saying earlier, I never let nothing stop me. You know, nothing is gonna stop me. I'm always gonna keep pushing, working hard. I'm a firm believer that God always has something better for you out there. You know, if that truck wasn't meant to be in my hands, that's okay. You know, God gave me this one. I worked hard. I sacrificed a lot of time. I got the chance to buy another one, and you know, we're gonna do it all over again. Start from the bottom with this one. It's part of the game, you know. I hope whoever stole my truck and is enjoying it right now, enjoying the parts, the rims. You know, I don't care. I bought me another one, and we're gonna do it all over again. Don't let anything stop you from accomplishing your goals. I don't want to get to, you know, start preaching or anything, but you know, I'm a firm believer in God, and you know, He will always have something better for you out there. I want to thank everybody personally. I'm gonna get kind of sentimental, but you know, to us, this is new. I've been doing this a long time, but it's our first time actually, you know, recording, vlogging, and I'm starting to enjoy it more and more. The old me would have just gotten this truck shipped to Austin and, you know, call it a day. But, you know, I told my brother, hey, let's go pick it up. Let's go to McAllen, you know, a road trip. He almost got fired from work. So, you know, I feel bad. And we're gonna keep vlogging. We got more videos coming out. Mucha gente que apenas se suscribió al canal. Yo tenía una Silverado como la que acabamos de comprar y me la robaron hace 2 meses en Houston. Hace unos videos pueden regresar a ver la historia, todo lo que pasó. Decidí comprarme otra porque yo soy el tipo de persona que no se deja parar por obstáculos. Si Dios no quería que esa camioneta fuera mía, está bien, quien se la robó, quien la tiene, que la disfrute, si en partes, lo que sea, no me importa. Dios me puso esta otra camioneta en el camino y pues vamos a empezar este proyecto con esta. Quiero empezar a hablar más español, pero luego se me va el inglés. Pero vamos a estar haciendo videos de los dos porque pues tengo mucha gente que me sigue de México, familiares, primos, todo eso. Así vamos a echarle ganas y pues nunca dejen que un obstáculo los pare, sigan luchando por lo que quieren y pues si Dios está en sus manos de que Él quiera que los tenga, lo van a tener y si no, pues no. Alright guys, we finally made it to Austin. We brought it straight to the shop. My boy David's the one who's going to be working on it. We might do a color change, we might not. I gotta see my bank account. But for now, you know, we're gonna fix the front end. Literally, it's just the fender, bumper, grill, and that's it. You know, I want to thank you guys for going with us this journey. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I've been replying to all the comments. You know, we're gonna unload it, put it in the shop, and then head back home. Late nights, early mornings will get the job done. I've been up since 4 in the morning, been on the road, picked it up, stopped by my boy Chuy's. You know, we're here. Llegamos a Austin, mi gente, la trajimos directamente con mi amigo David. A lo mejor vamos a hacer cambio de color o se va a quedar así. Necesitamos ver las cuentas, a ver qué tal. Está ahí el camarada David. Él es el maestro bajo de muchas artes. Él fue el que hizo la Baby Dually, me ha pintado el Challenger, el Charger. Vamos a ver qué hacemos con esta.